Let's start our lesson number 3. आत्मश्रद्धया प्रभावः. आत्मश्रद्धा प्रभावः. आत्म यानी self, श्रद्धया means confidence, and prabhav means effect. So, what is the heading? आत्मश्रद्धायाः प्रभावः, effect of self confidence. So, let's see the story. एकः बालकः आसीत्. आसीत् is the past tense form of अस्ति. एकः means one, बालकः means boy. Once there was a boy. तस्य नाम एकलव्यः आसीत्. His name was एकलव्य. सः धनुर्विद्यां पठितुम् इच्छति स्म. He wished to learn archery. धनुर्विद्या means archery. सह is the सर्वनाम used for एकलव्य. So he, धनुर्विद्या archery. पठितुम learn. इच्छति means wish. When we use suffix small with any word, it becomes the past tense of the word. इच्छति का अर्थ क्या है? विशेस, यानी प्रेजेंट टेंस में वो इच्छा रखता है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ स्मॉल लिखा है, यानी वो पूरा शब्द क्या हो गया? पास्ट टेंस में कन्वर्ट हो गया. सो व्हाट विल बी द ट्रांसलेशन? ही विश्ड टू लर्न द आर्चरी. एकदा वंस सः द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत् अवदत् च. वंस ही समीपम अगच्छत् means came to or came near to whom? द्रोणाचार्यस्य means once he came or went near to द्रोणाचार्य and said. च means and, अवदत् means said. वद धातु का पास्ट टेंस का फॉर्म है, वद यानी कहना, एंड अवदत् अर्थात सेड, उसने कहा था कि. च अर्थात एंड. अगच्छत केम एंड सेड. गुरुदेव अहम अपि धनुर्धरः भवितुम् इच्छामि. टीचर I also wished to become a skilled archer. Bhavitum means become. Dhanurdhara means archer. Aham, I. Api means also. Gurudev means teacher. Teacher, I also want to be a skilled archer. कृपया मा स्वीकुरु. प्लीज एक्सेप्ट मी और काइंडली एक्सेप्ट मी. आचार्यः प्रत्यवदत्. द टीचर रिप्लाइड. अहम कौरवान् पांडवान् च पाठयामि. आई टीच कौरवास् एंड पांडवास्. अहम भवतः शिष्यरूपेण स्वीकारं कर्तुं न शक्नोति. I cannot accept you as my student. शिष्य रूपेण as student. स्वीकारम accept. कर्तुं न शक्नोति I can't accept you as my student. परंतु आचार्यः प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. अभवत् again past tense of भव means happen. परंतु but आचार्यः प्रति towards teacher. तस्य means his. श्रद्धा means faith. शिथिला means less. और जैसे हिंदी में हम कहेंगे कम होना, तो उसके लिए संस्कृत में इन्होंने लिखा है शिथिला. परंतु but his faith towards his teacher did not become less. Why did not? Because this is the past tense sentence. Abhavat. It shows us the past tense. तो आचार्य के प्रति उसकी श्रद्धा कम न हो सकी. Here they have given the nice picture of Eklavya and a picture of Guru Dronacharya. सः आचार्यस्य द्रोणस्य एका मूर्तिम् अरचत. अरचत again past tense form of धातु रच. रच means create or made. मूर्ति means statue. एका one. स he आचार्यस्य द्रोणस्य एका मूर्तिम् अरचत. He made a statue of Acharya Drona. सः प्रतिदिनं मूर्तिम् अनमत. अनमत again past tense word of नम. नम means bow down या उनको नमस्कार करना. सः he प्रतिदिनं means every day. मूर्तिम् अनमत. He used to bow down to the statue every day. प्रातःकालात् सायं पर्यन्तं धनुर्विद्यायाः अभ्यासम् अकरोत्. He would practice archery from the morning to evening. प्रातःकाल सायं पर्यन्त till. सायं means evening. प्रातःकाल means morning. So from morning till evening he अभ्यासम् अकरोत् means he practiced धनुर्विद्या यानी archery. So from morning to evening or from morning till evening he would practice archery. शनैः शनैः सः कुशलः धनुर्धरः अभवत्. शनैः शनैः अर्थात slowly. Slowly he अभवत् became. Slowly he became कुशल धनुर्धरः a skilled archer. एकदा तस्मिन् वने गुरुद्रोणः पाण्डवैः कौरवैः च सह आगच्छत्. आगच्छत् came. This is the past tense of come. आगच्छत्. Once एकदा तस्मिन् वने. Once Guru Dronacharya came to the forest with the Pandavas and Kauravas. एकः कुक्कुरः. कुक्कुरः means dog. एकः one. एकः कुक्कुरः तान् दृष्ट्वा अभषत. भष धातु का भूतकाल का रूप है. भष यानी बार्क. अभषत. A dog. एक कुकुर. A dog started barking on seeing them. तान् दृष्ट्वा on seeing them. When a dog saw Pandavas and Kauravas with Dronacharya in the forest, he started barking. अर्जुनः धनुष्यम् उत्थापयति स्म. Arjun उत्थापयति means picked up. धनुष्यम Arjun picked up the bow. तदैव एकलव्यः बाणैः तस्य कुकुरस्य मुखम् असीव्यत्. Again past tense word of सीव्य means stitch. असीव्यत् stitched. तदैव at that time or at that instant एकलव्यस्य बाणैः तस्य तस्य that कुकुरस्य dog मुखम mouth असीव्यत् stitch. At the same time or at that instant Eklavya stitched up the dog's mouth with the arrow. Banehi means arrow. Dhanusham means bow. Banehi means arrow. द्रोणाचार्यः एतत् दृष्ट्वा तत्र आगच्छत् तं च अपृच्छतः. द्रोणाचार्य एतत् दृष्ट्वा, आफ्टर seeing this, द्रोणाचार्य तत्र आगच्छत्, came there and अपृच्छत्, asked, कः तव आचार्यः, who is your teacher. तदा सः द्रोणाचार्यं तां मूर्तिम् अदर्शयत्. तदा, that time, then he showed. अदर्शयत means showed. दर्श धातु का past tense रूप. That time he showed him that statue. आगच्छत, अपृच्छत, अदर्शयत, all three words are from past tense. एकलव्यः गुरुश्रद्धयाः स्वयं श्रद्धयाः च प्रतीकम् अस्ति. एकलव्य is an example of faith in teacher and in self. स्वयं श्रद्धया in self confidence. एकलव्यः अस्मान् शिक्षयति. एकलव्य शिक्षयति अर्थात टीचेस. अस्मान् means us. एकलव्य teaches us. स्वयं ज्योतिः स्वयं प्रज्ञः भवतु. Our own light becomes our own light unfolds the capacity within us. हमारे अंदर जो प्रकाश है वही हमारी प्रज्ञा को जागृत करता है. वही हमारी अंदर जो छुपी हुई कैपेसिटी है उसे जागृत करता है. यदि अस्मासु आत्मश्रद्धा अस्ति तर्हि कोऽपि सिद्धिः दुर्लभा नास्ति. यदि मीन्स इफ. यदि तर्हि मीन्स इफ. अस्मासु आत्मश्रद्धया अस्ति. If we have self-confidence or if we believe in ourselves, tarhi then kopi siddhihi durlabha nasti. No achievement will be difficult to achieve for us. Anantaram आत्मश्रद्धायाः बलेन सः श्रेष्ठः धनुर्धरः अभवत्. Anantaram, then after or afterwards, सह ही अभवत became. आत्मश्रद्धया बलेन on the strength of self confidence. श्रेष्ठ धनुर्धरः, best archer. So what will be the translation of this sentence? Then he became the best archer on the strength of self confidence. So here our translation is completed. Now we will see the glossary. पठितुम अर्थात फॉर लर्निंग. भवितुम टू बी. प्रत्यवदत रिस्पॉन्डेड. न शक्नोति इज नॉट एबल और इज अनेबल. भवतः योर्स शिथिला लेस. प्रतिदिनम एवरीडे. शनैः वेरी स्लोली. तदैव मीन्स सून. कुक्कुरः डॉग. अनंतरम लेटर ऑन. यदि तर्हि इफ. अनमत मीन्स बोर्ड. प्रातः कालात फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग और इन द मॉर्निंग. न अभवत नॉट बिकेम. उत्थापयति टेक्स अप. असीव्यत स्टॉप्ड or stitched. Asman means us. So here today you have to write down the translation of the chapter and these word meanings, as well as you have to write some dhatu roop and its present tense and its past tense in your notebook. I will send you the photo of that table. So you will write translation, this word meaning and that dhatu and present past tense forms for today. In next period we will see the exercise and other things related to this chapter. Till now you have to complete this work and you have to see that grammar video also. Before this video you should go for that grammar video, so that you will understand this chapter more clearly, and you will get all these words, why these are, how we will understand these are past tense words, and how we will identify them. So for this you have to see that grammar video first, then you will understand this chapter better. So till next period, complete your work, stay home, stay safe. I am Swati Joshi, signing off for now. See you soon. Bye.